I think the most important for us is to play the games like we played before in the Champions League. I think if we play with the same education and the same spirit like we play home, then I think we can get a very good result here.
We are having a magnificent competition, and yet sometimes it's not enough. We played really well against Juventus and we lost 3-2. But I can be nothing but grateful to my players. I'm aware that playing at the level we played in Athens with the same efficiency might be very difficult, but that's what we keep doing, and after every match we realise we are on the right path. I don't want to talk any longer about the merits Simeone has done as Atletico Madrid coach. His statistics are unquestionable. Right now, Atletico Madrid are an unwanted rival for every team. They're great, and the fact that they are competing against Sevilla and Valencia in the Spanish league is only because Barcelona and Real Madrid are at a different level than last year. Atletico Madrid is a reliable team, a very hard team.
Un equipo fiable, un equipo muy duro.